welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how you can get a Moldova Work Permit in 2025, from visa types to processing tips. Let's get started. Firstly, why Moldova? Because it's affordable. Cost of living is much lower than Western Europe. Open economy with growing demand for IT, remote work, agriculture and healthcare roles. Digital Nomad Visa launched April 2025 for remote workers, freelancers, entrepreneurs. Now let's talk about the visa types of work in Moldova. The first type is type D or AM, which is the work or employment visa in Moldova. Needed if you have a job offer or pre-approved work permit. Requires passport, forms, photos, proof of accommodation, health insurance, financial means, invitation, work permit, diplomas, clean record. Fee for this application is around 40 to 80 euros and the processing time is 10 to 30 days. Now the second type is the Digital Nomad Visa. This visa is valid for 1 year, extendable to 2 years. It's designed for remote workers with income outside Moldova. Fully online application, requires proof of income, insurance, passport, clean criminal record. Now let's talk about the work permit process. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, secure a job offer. Employer must advertise locally or justify hiring foreign staff. Second, employer applies to the National Employment Agency with company documentation, financials, contract. Third, employee provides passport, contract, qualifications, medical certificate, HIV test, criminal record, photos, accommodation proof. Fourth, after approval, which is within 30 days, employee applies at embassy for type D visa. Point 5. Arrive in Moldova on visa, register with Migration and Asylum Bureau, apply for physical work permit and temporary residence. Total processing time is of around 90 days, which includes 30 to 60 days of residence permit process and additional 30 days for your visa. Now let's talk about the post-arrival must-dos. Register address and apply for residence card. Comply with when permit expire, renew on time, notify authorities of any job or address change. For digital nomads, confirm your income every year. Most of the digital nomad visa holders stay for 2 years, but you have a possibility to apply for a permanent residency after 5 years. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video. I hope now you've got a better understanding of how to apply for a Moldova work permit in 2025. If you got value out of this video, then please like, comment and share the video, and for more information log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.